With the present COVID-19 pandemic, it is time for us to think in terms of sustainability. It is time for us to grow our own food and treat our own waste. Hello everyone, I am Lynn from Green Construction Home. We are here today to present to you all the new generation of the HomeBiogas system, how it turns our organic waste into 100% renewable energy. Let's go. This is where we put our organic waste. This organic waste could be vegetables, meat, dairy, unlike composters. The organic waste goes down into this Bowel Digester, where it is being broken down by bacteria to produce our biogas. When that is created, the gas goes up into this filter and down through this narrow pipe into our gas bag. It later on passes through this narrow gas pipe into our kitchen. This is the kitchen stove which comes with every home biogas system, and the flame which you see here was created by microorganic waste from our home biogas system with 2 hours worth of cooking time every day, and of course it's 100% renewable energy. Now let's head back out to the garden where I'm going to show you the second awesome byproduct of the system. You see this amazing vegetable garden? This is the liquid fertilizer created from our home biogas system. The home biogas system has a lifespan of 15 years, and the material is of course 100% recycled. It is entirely a closed system with no smell nor environmental hindrance. These are the basics of how the home biogas system works, converting our organic waste into cooking gas and fertilizers for our gardens. Join the home biogas family today.